beautiful people. You are looking fantastic today. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget, and today we're doing another makeup unboxing. I've never unboxed one of these boxes before. It's a newer subscription service. So today we're unboxing the Bijou box. Bijou. I'm putting the name of it right here because I'm really bad at pronunciation. And today we're going to be unboxing this box. This is a $30 a month monthly subscription service with 3 to 5 full-size products, and it is a little bit more than a BoxyCharm, but they say they're trying to include really good products and as well as indie brands. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, this is probably going to be a short video because I just need to unbox it, and it's like really hot today, so I'm not really feeling all these sleeves that I'm wearing and stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is the box on the inside. This is the July box, so you're seeing this a little bit early, but they already announced it on their Instagram, the July box. So this is the July box. I don't know particularly what's in it too much, but on the top we see an Airhead. I think there's another one here too, yeah. Airheads. Actually, these are my two favorite flavors. Let me know down below what your favorite flavor of Airhead is. Mine is the watermelon and the mystery. I know the mystery is a whole bunch of different flavors, but as long as it doesn't taste like orange, I love the mystery ones, and then the watermelon is the best. I know everybody likes the blue one. Watermelon's better. So there's a whole bunch of confetti in here. Honestly, I'm not a fan of paper confetti stuff, and there's like little... I can't grab one. There's like little tiny hearts in here. I feel like my cats are going to make a mess out of that if they get a hold of this box. So, this is, the first thing in here is a pair of lashes. These are cruelty-free silk lashes from Dame Boss. It's kind of dusty because of the paper, but here are the lashes up close. And then this is what they look like on the inside. They're very cute. They're very natural. I think a lot of people get a lot of good use out of these. They're too natural for me to wear, but I do like that they get darker and flare out towards the ends. Next up in here, let's see. Okay, so I've seen these before. I've gotten these before. Oh, it's only one. Okay, so this next thing here is from Tatcha. We got these in a BoxyCharm a while back. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Milk Masks. There's a lot of products in here, so this is one mask. However, there's so much serum in this thing, you could usually squeeze it out and get a second use out of it. So we have a Tatcha thing. Tatcha is also very expensive. And then next in here, oh, it's a makeup eraser, so we can see. It's kind of hard to see in here, but it's a full-size makeup eraser. So I know these usually retail for $20. Here's a makeup eraser. It's in the original pink color. Also, makeup eraser, like, I like them. They're very nice. I don't use them that much because I don't like doing laundry that much, and they get kind of mildewy if you just let them set out after you wet them and stuff. You have to wash them first or they don't work. You have to wash your... It says it in the instructions. Most people are like, oh, I don't like how the makeup eraser works. You have to wash it first in like a washing machine. Next up is a palette. It's a palette. What is this? This looks familiar. So here's a palette. I'm already getting confetti everywhere. So this is a Chantilly Cosmetics Suns Out Buns Out. I think I've heard of this. Does it have a yellow in it? Oh, I have seen this. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. There's a little card in it. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is the little card. It tells you the shades of the palette. I'm gonna take off this little sleeve here. Look how cute! Oh my gosh, the subscription box had a palette with a yellow in it. I'm here for this one. So look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I also really like this neutral shade. That's like my perfect cool tone, like over the crease color when I'm being lazy. This is such a cute palette. I don't know how much this retails for. Let me check our little card. This retails for $25. I'm excited. This is cute. And if you guys want to see a full review of this, because I am really enthused about it, let me know. I can certainly do like a tip review of this if you want. Let's swatch the yellow. Ooh. Let's swatch one of these shimmers. Ooh. Alright, yeah, I'm excited now. This is my favorite thing in the box so far. Okay, so there might be something else in here. Oh, there is something else in here. It's pretty big. Okay, before I look at this, let me make sure there's anything else in here. I think that's it. Yeah. I'm getting confetti and little hearts all over myself right now. Okay, so this last thing in here is a body scrub. This is a buddy scrub. Hey gorgeous, I'm a charcoal and peppermint body scrub. All natural, cruelty-free, and vegan friendly, made in Australia. So this is the body scrub, the buddy body scrub. And then this is the back of it. This is pretty cool. I want to know what it smells like. Oh, it says charcoal and peppermint. that might be okay. But I think I probably wouldn't get that much use out of it. I'm not a huge body scrub person. I do once in a while, but it's like a treat yourself kind of thing. But overall, I'm glad this is cruelty free. Also, charcoal and peppermint sounds like a pretty interesting smell. I'm glad it's not lavender. I hate the way lavender smells. So yeah, let's go ahead for everything that we got in the box. So we got this body scrub. We got this super cute palette, which I am so excited about. That is adorable. It looks totally like something I've seen on Instagram before. A full-size makeup eraser, a cute little pair of delicate looking lashes, some candy, which I'm gonna eat the crap out of, and then my cavity just cringed at the thought of eating the candy. And then a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Milk Mask. So yeah, that's everything in this box. It's a retail value of $91 to $102 for the $30. I personally think it's worth it because I like the dewy skin mask. I think the body scrub is good for a gift. The makeup eraser is good too, but I'm here for this palette the most. Like, I like the palette a lot. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to sign up, I'll leave a link to this box down below, and maybe someone can tell me how to pronounce it because I'm not good at pronunciation. I'll see you guys later. Bye.